Josh. Feed the doggies? There you go. Good boy. Alright, put shadows in. Come here. Put shadows in here. Right here. Good job. Alright. Hey. So good. Alright, let's go inside. Or do you want to stay out here with the dogs? Is that your puppy? Is this your other puppy? Yep, that's your other one. You want to give her a big hug? Whoa. Yeah? You want to give Shadow a big hug? Give her a hug. Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah, you want to give her a hug again? Yeah.
Sweet baby.
Alright.
Give Shadow a hug. You want to ride her?
Alright.
Let's go.
Let's go inside.
Bye. We're leaving. I think he's okay with that.